Okay, so hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss again a new topic from Unit 11, Lesson number 1. So this is all about position, direction, and movement. Okay, so if you want to follow this topic, so just open your books, your student book on page 228. Okay, so before we have the examples about this topic. So let's have the definition of the following words. So let's start with the position. So position, it means this is the space occupied by an object. So that is what we call the position. Okay, then we have the direction. So direction means the position towards which someone or something moves or faces. So for example, you're facing on that direction or in this direction. So later on you will understand what we mean by direction. Okay? Next we have the movement. So when we say movement, movement means a change of position. Now notice that these two words, direction and movement, so these two are connected or related to position. So if your direction is you are talking about also the position. So if you are facing on the other direction, so it means your position will change. Movement also is also the change of the position. So these three are all related to each other. So you will further understand this meaning using the different examples. Okay, so we have here 6 examples showing the position, direction, and the movement. Okay, so let's have the first example. So the ball is on. So the first word is on. So the word on, it shows the position of the ball. Where is the ball? So the ball is on the box. So this is your box. So it means that the ball is on the box. Okay? The next word is the word under. Okay, so this position. The ball is under the table. So another example of position, under. So you will see, so if you have here a table, so it's under. Okay, under. Then we have another example which is clockwise. So this is a movement. Clockwise is a movement, an example of the movement. So the hands of the clock, so you will see the hands of the clock. If you're going to observe how the hands of the clock is moving, so it's moving clockwise. Okay, clockwise means that the movement is going on the way how the clock is moving. So you will start from here and it goes on this direction. So it's clockwise, so clockwise like this. Okay? Now, another example, this one is the opposite of the clockwise. So it's called anti-clockwise. But most of the time, it's called counter-clockwise. So you will hear this word also, counter-clockwise. Counter-clockwise is also anti-clockwise. They are just the same. So the blade of the fan spins anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. So it means, so if you're going to think again how the hand of the clock is moving, so this one is the opposite. The opposite of the movement of the clock. So that's why it's called counter or anti. So if the clock moves on this direction, so the anti-clockwise moves on the other direction. So going here. Okay? Going on this direction. So going on that. So this you are going to start here and then you will move on this direction. So if clockwise is like this, okay, the counterclockwise is the other side or the anti-clockwise. Okay? So let's go to the next position, which is over, or position or direction, over. So the ball cross over the wall. So for example, you're playing a ball and there is a wall on the place where you are playing. So it goes over. So over means over the wall. Okay, so this is the direction of over. Okay. And the last one, which is the word inside. Okay. So inside, so let's have the example. The ball is inside the box. So if you have a box, okay, it's open, so it means that the ball is inside. Okay? So these are some of the commonly used position, direction, or movement. So these are the on, under, clockwise, anti-clockwise, or we can also call it counterclockwise, over, and inside. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.